What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. If you're looking for the ystrap doctor in the Chicagoland area with great hands-on chiropractic adjusting, you've come to the right place. We would really love to be able to help you next. But right now, we got another one. Let's go. Oh my God. Let me know if you have any pain, tenderness, anything as I'm poking around, okay?
Okay.
Any mid-back pain at all ever?
Mm-mm.
No. Everything's kind of up here and down there, right?
Yep.
Scoot down towards your feet. There you go, right there. Just let those arms relax down to the ground. Okay, lift that chin up a little bit. There you go. Relax right down on your chin. There you go. Just let that loose. Good. Kind of in that area, right?
Mm-hmm.
Same thing. Just go let it go up on your chin. There you go. Just let that relax the best as possible. Good. Whoa.
I needed that.
No wonder why you couldn't turn your head. Yeah, not too bad through here. Good. All right, flip you on your back, looking up at the ceiling. Handle that okay?
Yep.
All right.
That was a big crack.
Oh yeah. All right, just let your head fall back. There you go. There you go. Any headaches at all?
Mm-mm.
No. No. Nice. Just let the head relax all the way. There you go. Let him lift, let him lift. All on that right side. Good. Handle that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Cross your hands over your stomach. Yeah, the shoulders higher, huh? Ooh. How's that in there?
Tight.
Alright, we're gonna go over to that gray table over there and we'll take care of the low back. Head's gonna go on a pillow here. Okay, bottom leg will stay straight and this one's gonna come up like that. All the way to the edge. There we go. Straighten this bottom one out. You and your tight legs. If you can get in this position. So you're gonna let that just fall down towards the ground. Haven't dropped anyone yet, so you'll be alright. Oh, look at that. And right. Left. Already kind of landed it. Alright, good. Go flat on your back right there. Cross these over. That was hiding in there. All right, we'll flip you around this way. Head's gonna come down here. So same thing but opposite, so on your side. Yeah. There you go. Come down this way. There you go, perfect. Oop, this one straight, this one bent. There you go. Everyone always forgets.
Yeah.
You're not the only one. Some people roll over and face the wall, so at least you didn't do that.
It's feeling good though.
Let this one relax. There you go. Feeling good already?
Mm-hmm.
Just let this one fall. Oh yeah. Ooh, these hips. Let that one relax. Just let it relax all the way. Yeah, good. Your hips were jacked too. I'm gonna have you get you up. I'll have you walk back and forth right here, just down the line. How we doing?
I'm good.
You good?
Yep.
Alright. One more time. Just kind of want to reset these hips now that we got them moving.
Definitely feel looser.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Good. You need to work on those legs. So tight. Alright, I'm going to have you lay on your back on the green table again. So face up. You can just cross your hands over your stomach is fine. Any hip problem, knee problem, ankle problems?
Mm-hmm.
No? Okay. So just let that leg relax all the way up into the hip area. Good. Good. A little tight though, huh?
Mm-hmm.
There we got that one. Same thing with this one. There. Good. Just let the whole foot relax, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Let it go, let it go. Good. Not too bad actually. Okay. Any arch pain at all?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you're good. So I have you lay on your back. You can leave your shoes on. And legs are gonna go up over the pillow. So on your back, legs over the pillow. Yep, right on the table. Yep, and then slide your butt all the way into the pillow. There we go. Okay. You can kick them all, it's okay. Alright, lift up your head. Okay, pull your hair out of there for me. Alright, get it down. There you go. Make sure we're not on your necklace. Over your hair. Alright, cross your hands over your stomach. Just take a deep breath in and blow it all the way out. Good. Good. Okay, just lay there for a second, relax, okay? Let your feet relax. We didn't break any wires, we're good. That's just the cherry on top.
Yeah.
Alright, lift your head up. Alright, you can go and get up. How's that?
Feel good. Did you hear something?
What's up?
Did you hear a crack?
Did I hear it?
Yeah.
A little bit. You hear it more in your head.
Yeah.
Sit up straight, sit up straight, sit up straight. Yeah, 2 areas you said, that's where everything was, huh?
Mm-hmm. So should I buy something like this?
Should you buy something like this?
Yeah.
That's up to you. It wouldn't hurt. Always feels good. It's hard to use on yourself, I will say that.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of difficult. So you have to get your girlfriend to do it.
And this helps with the tightness of the muscle?
Yeah, it'll help beat up the muscle a little bit, break up any adhesions that are on there, in there.
You say I was tight, huh?
You were tight, dude. Those legs really need some work too. So when those hips, your hip flexors, these ones in front, your quads, and then there's a psoas muscle that goes up in between there. So that helps with this movement going up. When those are really tight, when you go to stand up, it's gonna pull on that low back. So it's going to create some discomfort too. So that's why loosening up those leg muscles is going to help the low back issue too.
What can I use to
You got a foam roller?
Uh-huh.
So foam roller, see that blue thing over there to the right? Underneath my desk?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Mm-hmm.
I can show you some stuff on there too we can do, kind of loosen up these legs.
And get it off Amazon?
Yeah. What can't you get off Amazon? Alright, man. How we feeling?
Feel loose.
Yeah.
Feel good.
That's good. You can move again.
Yeah, it's like I couldn't really do all that.
Alright, that's it. Enough beating you up for today. Hey guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button for us, okay? And if you want to keep up with all the content we're putting out, we're putting out 1 to 2 videos a week showing what the Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience is like. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well, okay? You'll be able to see how we use the ystrap and good hands-on chiropractic care to get you to where you need to be, okay? Find you relief with that Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience.